Alright, we're going to pull the Porsche up, and we're going to try and get it running again today. Look at that crack. Oh, there we go. Nice. I was going to work on it, but it started raining. So I'm going to let the rain die a little bit, and then we'll be right back. Now that everything's all wet, and it's unbelievably humid out here because of this little baby rainstorm we had, let's get to working on the Porsche. Oh, I'm sorry for the purists. Porsche. Alright, I'm sorry I skipped around a lot here. I had it set up like an idiot. This timing mark right here, I thought this was the timing mark. The timing mark is on the back of the cam. I don't even know why the front one's on there. Oh yeah. I think we got it. So I just gotta fine tune my distributor position just a little bit. I'm gonna call that a success. It's probably running as good as it's going to without fuel. Finally got the spark figured out. The timing gear on wrong. I can't believe that. Good thing it's non-interference motor, but wait till all my ITB parts come in. I got my Mikuni ITBs, or carburetors as people want to call them. These are all my my independent filters I got for it. So these will go on here like that. I got 4 of them, and then I got the clamps for the other end, plus the adapter hoses are still in the mail. I haven't showed up yet in the intake manifold. Otherwise, once again, thank you for watching. I'd like to recommend everybody to subscribe, follow this build. We're going to do ITBs on it, get rid of all the CIS. All that junk is going. I'll probably buy a new distributor. Obviously I need a new coil. I had to borrow the coil out of the